Welcome to FinestShops. In this quick video, I will show you how to make the changes to the store's header, footer and colors. Working with the online store editor is as easy as working with your favorite text editor, no coding is required. Simply log in as store's administrator and go to the page you want to change. Here is an example of making the changes to the store's header and footer. Let's change the text and color of the store's header and footer, which is shown on every page. After you loaded the home page, you will see a few options at the top. Click Customize. This opens the store appearance customization menu on the left and allows you to change the elements in the header and footer. Let's change your phone number and the value proposition in the middle. You just click on it and type a new text. Scroll down to the footer, click on the edit icon beside the copyright note and change it. After you changed anything, you will see a blue publish icon light up in the top left corner. Clicking that button will save and publish your changes. To change the store's colors, you use the left panel. Let's change the color of the top bar. Click Colors. Click Top Bar. Change the color of the top bar background and the color of the text. Clicking Publish will save your changes. Clicking on the top left X icon will exit the editing mode. Thank you for your interest in FinestShops services. We are looking forward to helping you with your e-commerce.